Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code in your laptop. So this is what I did, okay? You just come here to the Microsoft Store, you can just search up Wi-Fi QR code scanner and open this one right here from the Microsoft Store, okay? Come here and download this through here, or you can view it in store and download it from there. Now let me show you how to use this. So once you launch the app, you have two sections. We have the scan QR code section and a create QR code section, right? Your camera will basically show you what your laptop's showing, and then you basically put the QR code in front of the camera, hold it up, make sure you fill the screen, okay, the whole QR code, and then it'll actually pick up the password. Okay, with the network name, you just come here and click on connect. You can also copy the password. Usually just click on connect, or if you can come here, create your own QR codes as well. Okay, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fixes. I'll see you in the next one.